Okay?
Sir,
Sige.
there are proposals to impose stiffer penalties for improper waste disposal. Your thoughts on that?
Well, you know, there are two aspects to that problem. One of the things, if you look, I remember, if you look at the places around the country, kung saan clean and green, where they are awardees of clean and green, ang una kanilang ginawa is that naglagay sila ng basurahan. Ang problema ko minsan, walang basurahan. Walang pupuntahan, walang itatapos, walang paglalagyan ng basura. Look at a place like a country like Japan. A country like Japan, they just don't throw their basura anywhere. They keep it in their pockets and throw it at home because there's a very good system for bringing the garbage out. That is the first problem. So it's not useful to fine people for not throwing their garbage if there is no place to put their garbage. So that's of course people are aware that there are fines. Nobody wants to be fined. Wala namang gusto ng mamumultahan. Pero kailangan bigyan din natin ng facilities na kung saan pwede itapon yung basura. Ganun lang kasimple kung minsan yan eh. Minsan ganyan lang ako kasimple yung problema eh.